Куда ты делаешь? Ну что ты рядом стоишь?
Ну, подожди, вот
Не
так
надо в центре,
сделай вот
зачем?
так.
Hey everybody, welcome to DaniilProduction channel, not to Tsunaga. My name is Daniel, this is my mom Yana. Why I doing this third video? Because the next video is the first from Crimea. It's not about lines, but lines will be later. Sorry for editing it very long time and for many videos, not one or two, because a lot of material. Bless you. That's right. So, but I filmed a lot of emotions, a lot of memories. So enjoy it in the next video and next videos, maybe 7 videos. I should.
It will be great. I will
Yes.
see it. Yes.
So today we will react to Karnataka Tourism again.
Yes, again. Karnataka again. I love
Because
Karnataka.
we reacted
Yes.
to Karnataka wildlife discovery.
Yes.
We thought that it's official tourism video. Bantik, what do you want? But it was about animals.
About animals.
But now we have already found this video. You asked us to react to this, so Karnataka Tourism official video.
Ты тоже хочешь посмотреть Карнатаку? Да. Ой, 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 ой. Please subscribe to this channel, please. Don't forget about notification bell, please.
Write comments and share this video with your friends what's going on this time, and you can be our sponsor. The link is in the description. I waited for my mom and what's going on. So let's enjoy.
А без меня, что ли?
Нет, сейчас придешь. We watched only about nature, but
is renowned the world over for its unity in diversity.
Christianity.
And there is one state that exemplifies this par excellence. One state that plays home to multiple worlds, thriving together in harmony. One state that has become a hotbed for tourism, because no matter what colors your world, you'll probably find it here in Karnataka.
Oh, interesting.
The film aims to capture the glory of the many worlds that call Karnataka home. From ancient history to breathtaking geography. From the Western Ghats to the Western coastline. From cultures that have stood for centuries to modern cosmocultures. From bustling metropolises to pristine nature.
Elephants.
From a thriving economy to heartfelt hospitality. Whatever you seek, whatever your interests, there is something for everyone in Karnataka.
Okay.
When this crazy
Some
pandemic
of
is
the most
finished, I would
powerful
like to go
empires
there.
of ancient and medieval India thrived on this very soil. Monuments that pay tribute to the glory of these erstwhile empires are amongst the most popular historic attractions in the world. Hampi is one of the most sought-after destinations, with its UNESCO heritage tag and dating back over 500 years. While Badami and Pattadakal are glorious epitomes that date back over 1,000 years. The intricate workmanship of the Vijayanagar empires and the Chalukya dynasty can still be witnessed after all these centuries. Belur and Halebid are world famous too for its architecture, craftsmanship, and rich heritage. A fitting tribute to the Deccan style of architecture is the over 400-year-old
Very huge.
Gol Gumbaz
Wow.
in Bijapur.
Moscow, yes.
Like the largest monolithic statue of the Gomateshwara at Shravanabelagola, there are cultural and religious centers that still attract devotees from the world over. Talking of living history, the opulence of the
Musor.
Mysore Palace,
Nisar.
It sounds very, very strange.
the
Okay,
Mysore
it's
Palace
like
gets the second
Russian
highest
joke.
footfalls when it comes to foreign tourists in India. Get transported to a world where kings and queens ruled, where history comes alive in a landscape that is bountiful. Talking of landscapes in what is the 7th largest state in India, the variety is nothing short of breathtaking.
Largest state in India?
Nurtured by the nourishing waters of the Krishna or Bhadra and the Kaveri and their many tributaries that make for some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the country. Whether it's the sheer volume of the monsoon-fed Shivana Samudra or the defying heights
Rainbow.
of Jog Falls,
Waterfalls are really
they make
amazing.
for spellbinding views. Talking of heights, Karnataka also plays home to the Western Ghats. The epic mountain range that runs north to south on the western half of the state, making for scenic beauty that is unparalleled. The hill stations of Coorg and Chikmagalur, to name a few, are immensely popular for their locales, climate, and outdoor travel experiences for the discerning traveler. Considered one of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the planet, it boasts several endemic species of flora and fauna, and also plays home to 27 sanctuaries and 5 national parks,
Or jaguar?
being highly sought after for its large number of elephants and tigers. Nagarhole National Park, along with Bandipur, make for one of the largest tracts of unbroken forests in the country.
Unbroken.
Kabini has emerged as the most popular destination amongst wildlife enthusiasts, with a range of safari lodges, including
Safari,
several
it's the
luxury
best,
and
yes.
budget options, boat and jeep
So
safaris.
beautiful. That's
Wildlife
safari.
tourism in
I
Karnataka
want to do
has
this.
boomed over the last few years, with the mountains gently running into the Arabian Sea. Karnataka is also blessed with
Our
over 100
animals.
kilometers of pristine coastline. Beaches abound with sun, sand, and surf. It is a beachgoer's
Would
paradise.
you like to do surf someday? No?
While
Not for me,
Kolkata's
sorry.
Oak is the most iconic,
Maybe zip lines.
there are plenty
It's
of
my
quiet and mesmerizing beaches strewn along the coast,
such things.
with adventure options slowly cropping up. Whether you are seeking some adrenaline or solitude, Karnataka's geography has something for
My
you.
dad would like it.
If your
Just
world is
post.
filled with colors, then there is plenty for you to see in Karnataka. Talking of plenty, if there is a city that is known for its plenitude, it has to be the capital, Bengaluru. Not only was it voted the most dynamic city, but it has also been one of India's fastest growing cities for over a decade now. It is also amongst the most diverse cities in the country, thereby opening up many avenues within the city. Hub City, Culture City, Garden City,
Garden
Silicon
City.
Valley of India, Education City, Art Capital, and many, many more.
Oh,
Bengaluru has become one of the
Like
most popular cities, not
imagine
just in
not
India,
just
but in
an
the
Indian
world.
style. Interesting.
Karnataka is paving the way forward to a melancholic tale of royalty with a golden chariot,
Half
a
lions,
luxury
half
train that indulges
elephants.
you
It's
with the best of Karnataka.
emblem.
From heritage festivals such as Dasera and the Mahamastakabhisheka that draw pious pilgrims from all around, to the latest music festivals that gather revelers, everything from ancient culture to modern marvels. There is one thread that holds everything together, no matter where you go in the state. And that is the heartfelt hospitality of its people, making for warm welcomes, hearty food, and everlasting memories. Dotted with a whole host of staying options, from luxury hotels to eco-resorts,
Oh,
from
I like
exotic
this style.
homestays to budget accommodations. So whatever your budget, Karnataka will gladly welcome you.
Thank
No
you,
matter where
Karnataka.
you cannot be too far away from reaching our shores. With one of the busiest airports, the International Airport at Bangalore is connected directly to Europe, UK, Asia, and even to the US. With multiple airports, a large railway network,
So
and
we
an
can
extensive
just
road
go to
network.
Karnataka from
Karnataka is well connected within and to the outside
Bangalore.
world, with services ensuring that no matter what your destination, you will find it accessible. So the next time you plan a holiday, welcome to our world. Remember, this is but a glimpse of the many worlds that call Karnataka home. Maybe you'll discover your own, but for an unforgettable holiday, all you need to remember is one state, Karnataka.
Karnataka. One state, many words, many impressions.
Yes, it's like their device.
I would like to go there. In Moscow now it's about 7 degrees. It's very, very cold.
I came back from Crimea,
Yes.
that will be 30 degrees, and I was like, what's going on in Moscow?
But I would like to go
Very
to
cold
Karnataka now.
So,
I think
yes.
it's very, very warm state, right?
India is tropical country, desert country.
Yes, but there was
Savanna
there is,
country.
and also cold region.
Yes, maybe,
not,
but
not
yes,
very cold like in Moscow.
jungles, a lot of jungles, yes.
It's winter for me, about 7 degrees, 7,
Me
8
too.
degrees. Wow.
Yeah. But okay, we watched about Karnataka, but it was about only nature, only forests, animals, and waterfalls. It's also great, but here we see all Karnataka, yes, all tourism of Karnataka, architecture, a lot of temples, by the way, Christian temples to Catholics. It's interesting, is it Orthodox temples there? But we'll see. Thank you for watching this video. Karnataka is cool. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this yet. Put thumbs up, write comments, share this video with your friends. Don't forget about notification bell. Subscribe. Почему?
И еще раз Если вы один раз подписались, подпишитесь второй раз, приведите 3 друзей или 6.
Хамгерек бярке пин минеге чельте.